Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 was released earlier than it was last year, so this year's K70 series is coming sooner than we expected. As we all know, there are a lot of phones that are more worth buying than the Redmi K60 series, so it couldn't really defend its flagship killer title. Very embarrassing situation. So can the K70 regain its flagship status? I think the K70 standard can really do it. Oh, and if you want to get an early taste of the Redmi K70, you can click on the link down below the video. Gizmochina will deliver it to your home from China. Really, both the standard and Pro versions come with a black box. Let's unbox the K70 Pro first and then the standard. Let's open the plastic wrap. Open the lid, take out this small box, and what comes in the view is a SIM card pin. Inside the box, there's a manual and a phone case. The phone case is still the same black silicone one. The charger is also still the same 120 watt USB-A port charger. There's also a cable there. That's all the accessories in the box. The charging power of the standard version has also been increased to 120 watt this time, so even though the charger is the same as the Pro version, so no need to repeat it again. So here's the full picture of the two K70s. 10 out of 10, how would you rate them? I'd give it a 7. I would say the phones look a lot better than the renderings, especially the Pro version, which looks a bit similar to the Xiaomi 14. I mean, they both look premium. I think one thing that makes it look good is this metal frame. Like the iPhone, the standard version is frosted and the Pro is glossy. Sadly, wireless charging and IP68 are missing compared to the K60 series. Yes, even the Pro version does not have those. So what can I say? I can only wish these phones sell better. The camera specs of both phones are here. Both of them use the latest sensors for their main cameras. The K70 Pro in particular even has a 2x telephoto camera. Although the focal length is a bit short and there's no OIS, it's still better than the 2 megapixel macro camera. What separates the two phones is not only the cameras, but also their processors. The Pro version uses the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the standard version uses last year's 8 Gen 2. And to raise them with a bit lower score, it makes sense though, since they've just been activated and armed with the latest system version. Still, subscribe to our channel and we'll go deeper into it in the full review. When it comes to Redmi K series, the thing that has impressed me the most over the years is the display. This straight screen with 2K resolution and a peak brightness of 4000 nit is obviously at the flagship level. The lower bezel is also very narrow. Most importantly, the cheaper standard version also uses the same screen as a Pro, so you don't have to agonize over which one to buy based on the screen. Another major change is that the plastic bezel around the screen is gone, giving a more premium look. All in all, the screen is Redmi's best gift to you all. Let me clarify here for those viewers who haven't bought a Redmi phone before. In Redmi's K series, the standard edition is the one that's worth buying over the Pro version. This table lists all the difference between the standard and the Pro versions, and as you can see, the difference isn't really that big. If you don't care too much about the camera and performance, the standard version would be the wiser choice. So would you pay hundreds of extra dollars for those upgrades? Let me know in the comment section. Actually, Redmi's new phones are quite boring for reviewers. They don't get many upgrades each year, like the K70, which only upgraded its processor and camera to the latest model. The rest of the specs haven't changed much or even regressed. But with prices that low, I can't complain too much. I'll still give the Redmi K70 a thumbs up because they offer a good option for those on a budget, especially those who prefer a 2K straight screen. Alright, I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.